Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let me say Happy New Year to everybody, all our subscribers, all our viewers. Happy New Year to you guys. So it's the first day of the year, it's January the 1st, 2022. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this man outlaw has me out at the beach. Guys, you woke up and said I want to go to the beach. I didn't want to come. I just wanted to stay at home, put my peas on to boil, and you know, prep and sort out stuff for dinner. But he wanted to come and get a wash off this morning in the sea. So he's like, no, you're coming. So here we are. So guys, take a look. So guys, this is where we are. This beach is like less than 5 minutes. Oh yeah, 5 minutes from where we are. We're on the north coast, right? So we're always surrounded by sea. We're never too far from the beach, so we took a little drive down.
I'm proud of peace. Thanks for life. Happy New Year. Well, for life here. Yeah, I come to cover shop this morning. I can't tell you. It's a big surprise I'm reading on it.
Look at the wave.
Can't go in the people. As I go dash me out.
Yeah.
As I put myself in the water there, it's a go dash me out back. So I take a small dip. You know the thing?
Even the fishermen said be careful because the water's a bit, you know.
I think the fisherman is not going out there this
No,
morning.
no.
The water is not good.
Yeah.
But you can see.
See?
Yeah.
But how beautiful is it though? This is on our doorstep, guys.
Yeah, man. Good like that.
Yeah. This is on our doorstep. I think this is what I like about being where I am. Is that you're always close to the water. There's always a beach nearby.
Yeah.
And this is a local beach, right? So you can just turn up. You can see houses there, right on the beach side. Yeah.
I want to big respect. I want to big respect to the family, you know, the immediate family and the family we about the subscriber, the respect our manners who were going last year, and long life and happy living to the area done. Yes, we like that something there. So we can't lift out of the thing and know so we not lift out of the something. So we have to pull up time and so we can keep the thing going at the start of the year. Yes. Put a big respect every time, you know. When I'm done prayers, so we not left out of nothing at all. They are carried away with and all these things. But some special request to some people out there. They know themselves. And I've done prayers a long time. Yeah. Some of the thing, you know. Yeah, around the way swing. Yeah.
Good guys.
I walk now, water.
We'll just show you what's around.
Yeah, come on and go back up and go walk in the water. Let's get some back.
Can you see this? He's gone in. I'm not going in. I said I was going to wet my foot, but dip my foot in, but I don't know about that. See how the waves are? And then big waves. He wanted to swim, but yeah, the water's not swimmable. Yeah. So this is the local side, and then over here, over this side here, you have like, it's a fishing village, right? So over here you can come and get fresh fish. Further on the other side, over there, is where the sand is, the sand part of the beach. You have to pay to go over to that side. I think it's a small fee, but this side you can just turn up. And there's no sand on this side, it's mainly more rocks. And there's a river as well further down that people like to go to and enjoy. But look at it guys, it's just so beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful. Outlaw and I used to come here every morning. About 2 years ago we used to come every morning, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. We'd come for an early morning swim. We haven't done it for a long time. But this used to be our place every morning to come. So guys, how did you enjoy your New Year's Eve? Outlaw and I didn't do anything. We stayed at home, we drank wine, we just chilled out. And we're honest, by 8 o'clock I wanted to be in bed, because you know I'm an early bird. 8 o'clock I was ready for bed, but Outlaw was like, no, you have to stay up, you have to stay up. So I stayed up. Guys, when I tell you, 2 minutes past 12, I was in my bed, okay? Yeah. So today, cooked some food, and you know, we're making some more sorrel, drink today. That's it. Chill at home, eat some food and chill.
So
there's today.
we have a whole of work to do ahead of this.
Yeah, we've got lots to do.
Ahead of it right now. This fresh, brand new year we're coming to right now. And we give thanks to life to see this thing,
Yeah.
Nothing to see it. Yes, we're there.
Yeah.
So
And
the people, we give them thanks, you know. Everything
yeah.
going.
Yeah, thank you to everybody that's watched any of our videos. Thank you to everybody that subscribed to the channel. I want to say special thank you to a few people. I'm not going to call your names, but I'm sure you know who you are, for all the help and support that you have given us since we've started this YouTube journey. I want to thank all the subscribers that have reached out to me, all the people that we've met, especially over the Christmas period. We've met quite a few people over this Christmas period who watch our channel and have become friends of ours. So yes, the two couples that we met this week, the two families, I want to big you guys out. Guys, it's a beautiful day in Jamaica as well. It's a beautiful day in Jamaica. Sun is out, sea's a bit, rough, but it's a beautiful day.
We want to big up our subscribers from the UK. Our subscribers from US.
Yeah.
All the Canadian subscribers.
Canada.
Yes, the Jamaican them.
Yes. Yeah.
So
one's from Trinidad, one's from Bahamas.
Yes.
One's from some parts of the world. I'm like, where is that? New Zealand.
Yes.
Yeah. All around the world.
Yes.
Definitely.
You got the people there.
Yeah.
And tell me where them come from and them say that to you.
Yeah.
So you are big enough.
Yeah.
And it's a long life and happy living.
Yeah.
Good health, with a small piece of wealth. And I don't work for prayer.
And thank you to every one of our viewers and subscribers who has booked our service over the last few months, or since we started.
Yes.
I want to say thank you to you guys too.
I want to pick up the real blogger that we are, do the real part of the work. Respect our manners. Yeah, keep doing the good work. Yes, nothing wrong with that. Do nothing. And you're the king.
Yeah.
Yes.
And guys, we look forward to this year. We do have quite a few things in the pipe works, quite a few things that we're working on and things that we want to launch and, expand our brand and expand what we're doing.
Something there.
And so guys, look out for that. We're really excited about it. A lot of work, but we're really excited about it. So
good.
Yeah.
I don't know when I left from out, so
yeah.
I know what I want.
So definitely. So guys, this is just to say Happy New Year to you guys, and thank you, manners and prayers.
Yeah, people going to the beach, if you come from the bridge, yeah, the bridge will be long time. But to go around from the beach side, if you come from this bridge. But I pass this man and see the red flag here. So right to the red flag is, look down there now. The bridge is it's the river that I look on right underneath the bridge right now. Big hole there show me right underneath the bridge. See there? Not an easy road. This bridge have to put back together. Yeah? Let me repeat. There's the river. But I'm take that side there. There goes the river. So I'm standing on the bridge, the river that runs underneath it. There it is. Beautiful. Cool and nice. Foresty green and pretty down. Yes. That's the whole point of it. There it is. 1893. That's when it was built. Yes, the people.
Come on. Yes, guys, so it's dinner time. So let's see what we have. So we've got some escovitch fish. We've got some stuffed chicken breast with spinach, cream cheese and parmesan. Got some home-style chicken, cook-up chicken. Of course, good old rice and peas. Fried white plantain, a little salad and a little coleslaw, homemade coleslaw. So yes guys, this is our New Year's dinner for today. This is going to be Saturday, Sunday. You know that Sunday, Monday, it's going to be Saturday, Sunday. And there's Outlaw with some of his sorrel that he made this morning. So yes guys, this is us. This is us today.
So it's the manners and prayer of the people. Long life, happy living. Respect our manners to the life journey, you know. And we say respect in every move we go on that time there. And I come up here now, manners and prayers. So we say, Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. And watch a piece of the ads. And you have holy more thing than the thing, so I'm not going to see what I'm going to lie. So we say, holy faith. The Lord is great.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.